Well, hi, we're now at Arbois, which is in the heart of Saint-Gervais. This is literally 2 minutes walk from the lift station at Bettex here. That takes you up to the top of the lift station at Bettex. Here's the key lock box. Okay, you'll get the code prior to arrival. You'll come in, just inside here you'll see that we've got a garage fob, so your parking is underground down here, so not outside, but it's underground. Let's walk straight through into the living area. It's really lovely, open, beautiful. This is a new build within the last 12 months. It's fantastic. Who can't miss, who can't beat a lovely 3D of the valley there? Up here you can see the mountain range behind you, but literally in front of you there's the lift. It's a bit dark at the moment, so we'll do another video showing how close it is. Let's walk on through, and this is the master bedroom. Here you can see, look, 2 full-size single beds. That's 90 centimeters. That makes 180 double beds. So when you book your last, do you want double or single, we'll make it up accordingly. Fitted wardrobes, and in here a really spacious shower room. Let's just go through and have a look at the shower room. I'll let you go in on your own, otherwise I'll probably bash into things. There you are, lovely shower, sink and loo. Come on through, let's go into the living room again. So seating for 7 there. I think there might be another chair even for 8. Fully fitted kitchen, ceramic hobs, oven there, fully fit oven, a little microwave there. And wow, who cannot miss the beautiful coffee machine? That's a must have in every property, I think. Let's just go through for the other sleeping areas. So in here, we've got another twin bedroom. Come on in, Jake. Again, full-size single beds. That makes it a king-size double bed. And let's go through another fully fitted kitchen. And we'll just go through into the other bathroom. So this is the family bathroom. Go in, and there you go. Go in, walk in there. And that's the second bathroom. Again, a shower, but with a bath this time. Okay, and then so this is set up for, 4 adults, 2 and 2, and ideally it could be great for the kids as well. So the kids have got their bunk room here. These are full-size bunk beds. Okay, so these are 90 centimeters and full length, but be prepared, if you're an adult, it's a bit squishy and painful. So whilst 4 adults can stay in here, I wouldn't recommend it. Kids go in here, they'll have a great time in bunk beds, having fun. Right, there we are, folks. So great for 4 adults, great for 4 kids, but it can squeeze to make more adults. I wouldn't recommend it. Thanks.
Okay, so this is the balcony at Arbois. It's ideally positioned. We're literally just opposite the alpine lift that goes up to Bettex and links you with the whole of the Saint-Gervais area, and can ski over to Megève from there as well. There is additional parking over there. All the parking in front is free, and you can park there as long as you like. So if you have guests or you have too many cars for your party, then they can leave them over there and they'll be perfectly legal. But this is Arbois, and when you're driving in, you just drive straight around to the left and down the slope. I'll go quite slowly as my videographer trots along behind. You come down to here and there is a and then once inside the garage you're looking for B15, and it is a good sized garage. It takes a Range Rover. We do know, we have tested. And here it is on the right. And then as we can see, very nice large garage. You do need the buzzer to get out as well, but there's a little yellow button on the side that if you've forgotten it, you can always jump out and press the button.